Hello busy people! Welcome to my YouTube channel Nanduri Lakshmi. In today's video, I would like to discuss about Madhubani painting. It is very easy. Firstly, draw the outline of any image of your choice on MDF cardboard. Fill colors which suit the theme of your image. Meanwhile, what actually is Madhubani painting? Let us know it. Madhubani art is a very old form of folk art practiced in the Mithila region of India. It is named after the Madhubani district of Bihar, which is where it originated. This art is also known as Mithila art. Goddess Sita, who is born in Mithila, the daughter of King Janak, herself did these paintings in her childhood. It is also said that the Mithila paintings were also commissioned by the king to commemorate the marriage of his daughter to Lord Rama of Ayodhya. Wow, this Madhubani art has touch with history too. Fantastic! This painting provides relaxation and a new kind of energy in me. Do you feel it too? If so, share your experiences in the comment section. That's all for today. So hey, if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and share it. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe for more videos like this.